Some lonely days and a dozen times ago, I reached out one night, you were gone. Don't know why you run, what you're running to, all through. All I know is I want to bring you home. So I'm walking in the rain, thumbing for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I loved you much too long, why I loved you strong, to let you go, never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keep pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I was walking through, with a rain in my shoe, searching for you. In the cold Kentucky rain, yeah. Cold Kentucky rain. Showed your photograph to some old gray bearded man sitting on a bench outside a general store. They said yes, she'd been hit, but the memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No way, the day before. So I finally got a ride from a preacher man who asked, were you bound on such a cold, dark afternoon? As we drove on through the rain, I said, listen, I explained, I'll leave it here, with a prayer that I find you. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I was walking through, with a rain in my shoe, searching for